next trick is called 10 card list. We've got Catherine here to help me for this. I've got a list of 10 different items. I'm going to read them out to you. We've got a coin, a hat, a dice, a wand, a clock, a rabbit, a book, a key, a spoon and a ball. Okay? Each one of these items is numbered from 1 to 10. So I'd like you to think of a number between 1 and 10.
Okay.
Okay, have a look at the list and see what item is at your number.
Okay.
You got it? Now focus on that item. Imagine it in your head and I'm going to try and read your mind. Feel it, see it, spinning around in your head. It's a fluffy item, isn't it? It's got a fluffy texture to it and it's like twitching its nose. You're thinking of the rabbit?
Yes.
Excellent. You'd like to know how I was able to read your mind?
Yes.
Wonderful. It uses a little bit of deception and skill based around the card. Now, if you've received this DVD, you'll have a copy of this card in its place. If you're watching this video online, go below it. There should be a link to it in the PDF as a JPEG. It's a special card which I've designed. There's been variations of it throughout the years. This is one that I came up with in 2007. If you have a look at it, or had a closer look at it, it's got dice, rabbit, dice, rabbit, dice, rabbit, dice, rabbit, dice, rabbit. Each one is a different colour. It uses a different type of capitalisation case, and the actual objects which I read out are in the copyright terms at the bottom of the card. Now, I read out firstly the 8 items at the bottom and include dice and rabbit as a part of those 10 items. They think that I'm reading out the 10 numbered items, but in fact I'm not. I'm just reading at the bottom. I asked you to think of a number. What number did you think of, just for interest?
4.
4. So you looked at this list, and at number 4 on this list was the word rabbit. And instantly I asked you one question. I didn't ask you a question. I said, this item is fluffy, and that's important. Now she nodded yes, as 95% of the people do, because a rabbit is naturally fluffy. It's their immediate reaction, they'll smile. But if she had said no, or if she had gave me a kind of confused look, then I would have known she was thinking of dice. So what I say, so for instance, think of an odd number. Have a look at the list, see what item it is.
Yeah.
Okay, think of that item, focus on it. It's a fluffy item, isn't it? It's fluffy, it's dangling from the car like a fluffy dice. It's a fluffy dice, you're thinking of the dice. So what I've done there is, by her hesitation with the fluffy comment, is turned it on its head and made it true by talking about a fluffy dice, which then becomes yes, 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 and I can say she's got dice. So whatever number she's thinking of, the first statement I make is that it's fluffy, and that tells me if it's going to be dice or if it's going to be rabbit. Now if I'm doing this trick for 2 people, I'm going to have one person think of an even number and one person think of an odd number, and then I instantly know that she's thinking of dice and they're thinking of rabbit, because wherever the even number is going to be rabbit and the odd number is going to be dice. And that's how the trick works. Now you've looked at this trick a few times now. When you're looking for your item with your number, you never look at what's above or below it.
No, you don't really see any others apart from the one that you're looking for.
You go straight towards it because there's a type of pressure that you feel like you need to do it. So it really is straightforward. I've done one other thing with this, and that's I've taken a photograph of it with my phone. So now I have this not only in my wallet, but I've also got it on my phone. So if I ever need a quick trick when I'm out and about and I don't have my cards with me, this trick is always in the photo section of my phone, which makes it quite useful for that. So that's the 10 card list. I hope you enjoyed it.